Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You watching Grandpa Pens review channel. So today I'm going to show you Pentonic B-RT pens. So this is a ball pens, and firstly this pen comes in three colors: blue, black and red. This is easily available in Indian market and local stationery. So first of all, I picked one and let you know the things. This pen has push button start mechanism, smooth finish, aerodynamic body, smart grip. Okay. And think it, link it. This pen is from Linkit, and this pen costs ₹20 Indian rupees and manufacturing in 9/2022. Okay. So let's unbox the three pens. First, this comes in beautiful, cute one box. This is, here we go, blue. And this is black, and the last but not least is red. Unfortunately this pen don't come in green color, but I love green. If the green color available, I would like to buy, but that is not available in market. So first of all, this pen has 0.7 mm tip right over here on both the pens. Talk about the quality of the pen, and I think this is a nice quality pen for 20 rupees. The click mechanism is very smooth. I like this. I would like to say this is very smooth, and Pentonic branding on the clip, and right on this barcode and ballpoint, and this is black, made in India. So if I talk about the grip section, this is very smooth and rubbery and soft grip, very comfortable to hold. If I open the barrel from the section, and we're looking a semi-thick ball pen refill. On the grip also link, and other side India, top B-RT. Nice branding on the pen. Yeah, let's check how the pen writes. So what we have beautiful Pentonic B-RT blue 0.7. so this writes very nicely and smoothly. So the another is Pentonic B-RT black 0.7. this is generally for higher students. This is generally for a student which is highest, which is done this is generally for college students and office going, because this is looking like a classic ball pens. The last one is Pentonic B-RT red 0.7. so I also like this color, but I love green, but green not available in this pen. So anyways, this is good buy for 20 rupees. If you are looking for a pen under 20 rupees, a classic pen, a ballpoint, a very nice design, a smooth click version, so you definitely go for these beautiful pens. This is Pentonic B-RT ball pen. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe my channel for more pens, fountain pens and other art and craft related videos. Bye bye friends.